much. Okay, let's bring up the next team, Team Capital for the People.
One out of two adults in Asia do not have a bank account. They are absolutely unbankable. They don't have access to even a $200 loan to open a new business, to get medicine, to improve their life. We are social capital, Asia. We want to make bank lend to the people who do not have any bank. Banks don't lend for three reasons. One, they rely on financial data to determine if this person is trustworthy. Two, they rely on liquid asset information to make sure they can get their payment back. And three, they need stability in order to lend their product because their product was created on the assumption of a stable repayment strategy. These are no longer true in our world. Our system is very simple. It's a white label SaaS platform the bank can use without any technology integration. We ask a mobile app be downloaded as part of a borrower's application. Based on that, we extract their social network, their mobile phone usage. Using IBM BlueMix, we were able to determine what's their social network information, what's their phone usage behavior. We were able to determine if a person is a bad credit risk within 94% accuracy. This is the base. Once the borrower downloads this simple app, press 2 buttons, the bank offers them access this platform. The platform is very simple. We deal with three things. One, the IBM BlueMix tells us if this person's network treat him like somebody respected, or they treat him like a peer, or they merely tolerate him. The bank will only lend people money if their friend, his community is willing to help them out. We would not want to help people who can't even earn the trust of their friend. We extend digital analysis to real life reputation, not just credit. From this, we can go into the variable payment analysis. Once we know how much their friend's willing to help him or her out in a jam, we can say the variable analysis is based on how much their most connected people have, their second tier, their total collateral borrowable through social capital become this person's total net worth in real life. This is what we do in real life. Why should the bank be any different? Lastly, we are able to solve the problem of instability in the rent because we can offer a fixed rate for somebody with a stable life, a high payment first, then low payment in the end for people who needs a crisis solved, or we can offer a balloon payment for somebody who needs a long time to get the capital back. We solve the problem of no trust, no asset, and no stability by using big data, financial power to people who are not even in the financial system. In the 6 days since we started, we were able, with our research and our proposal, meet with the Eurobank of Magadan in Philippines to do a pilot program for next year. We have secured 30,000, we have got an offer of 30,000 seed funding from Startup Nation in just 3 days. We want to work with the institution and the lender group in South Asia to bring fintech to the people who are usually exploited by fintech. We are Social Capital Asia, capital for the people.
Judges, over to you for the questions. Awesome. Congratulations also on your seed funding.
Thank you.
I'm wondering whether doesn't have a bank account, they are accessible to the SNS service or social service,
Sure.
something like that. Yeah.
They don't have a bank account, so by applying, this is the first time they have data. And when they're approved, the app turns into a mobile wallet that tells you got to repay. This is how much you owe. This is how much we expect. And here's the power. Because we're connected with their social network, we can connect to their first degree connector, friends, family, saying, yes, he borrowed money, he's in trouble, can you help him out? We have a way to recollect.
You have achieved something for a population which is mostly unbanked,
Yes.
and you claim that you have a 94% accuracy. What would be the accuracy for the banked one? So if you apply the same process to...
Sure.
normal banking clients?
Sure. Based on the Gourmet data, the best we have, 75. When you can have 75% repayment, the portfolio is break even. Anything above 75 become a profit for a social enterprise. But their interest rate, and it goes with 20 to 40%. So we are, in our small study, we are already making profitable. We want real world data from the rural bank of Managadan to see where the bank's appetite is. The 75% you break even. Anything above, what's the normal distribution of default, you make profit. So the banks are only serving 5% of the Philippines because most people borrow from informal circle. I think this is a huge opportunity. It's a win-win for the bank. And we only charge when we get repayment. So we are at the very end. If we are not successful, we should not get paid. And I think this is how we align our interests with the banks.
Are there any common social characteristics of loan-worthy people?
Yes. This is fun. Just on the on their mobile system, they don't let the phone run down. They recharge their prepaid phone before it runs out. So we are getting a lot of responsibility proxy from mobile phone usage. And on the social media, when yes.
I wanted to leave the end of that question, but thank you very much. Rules are the rules. The bell of silence has spoken. Thank you very much.
Capital for the people.
Capital for the people. And congratulations again on getting that seed funding. So